Hello guys, today video is how to link sheet by sheet. We want to total fruits link in this total fruit cell, this cell. So select this cell and press plus mark and go to the total fruits. It's in this second sheet, it's in first sheet. We want to go to first sheet. This is 250. Select this one and press enter. So we can find 250 answer. First sheet 250 and second sheet 250. We can see link. This is the link. You can see this is the link. This is the link. So we can find what this link. Press control mark and this symbol. You can see it's go to the first sheet. It is backward link. Press control and this symbol. It's nearby P, next to the P. You can see this is the key. You can see, select this one, control and press this button. Go to the backward link. Thank you.